How do Rheem air conditioners rate?
You can find Rheem and Ruud air conditioners at half off online these days. If people vote with their dollars, I'd say that's a pretty low score.
Or someone with excess inventory is trying to move it, or an HVAC contractor is trying to market a classic product in a new way.
Rheem's air conditioners overall get low marks. Their units tend to go out after a few years, even seeing their exchangers managing to come off the unit while still in the warranty.
Rheem has a 10-year warranty.
That's a 10-year parts warranty for their most expensive models. And that doesn't cover labor after 3 years or repairs if you can't prove you had their company-approved maintenance.
That's fairly standard with warranties these days. Pay us to come by a couple times a year to maintain it, or you don't get repairs on the house.
Rheem air conditioners have problems with the core going out after 2 or 3 years, having to be replaced if not rebuilt.
There isn't much difference.
Rebuilt is cheaper, but it won't last as long.
What else goes on?
They tend to leak refrigerant, causing you to have to recharge it at least once a year.
That costs several $100s to do, and it isn't covered by most warranties.
Their coils go out after just a few years, when they used to last 10 or more years in the good old days if you didn't live in a humid swamp.
Doesn't the warranty cover that?
It does if it fails in the first 3 years or so, but if it dies after year 4, they often won't. Even when they pay for it, you lose use of the unit for several days while their factory tech finds the leak and then replacement coils.
You make it sound like a two-step process.
One visit to remove the coils and another to install the replacement ones, since Rheem doesn't have weldable coils anymore. And you get to pay for the labor both times.
That doesn't rate too high in my book.
That's why Rheem ACs don't rate high anywhere but Rheem's website.